Today we're looking at part number TPU 23410. This is the 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 driver side, left-hand side, hydraulic trailer brake assembly with the dual plunger design. It has a 7-hole mounting flange, self-adjusting brakes that require little maintenance, and this fits on the Dexter 10K axles, Lippert 10K axles, and the Carter 10,000-pound axles. It comes with the backing plate on there, 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 brakes, and it is ready to go. And we have a killer deal on them right now. Check them out online at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.